You cannot expect extraordinary results from ordinary preparations. Good evening, friends. Anthony here. So next, over 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I would like to speak about a powerful truth, and I will also talk about with just 1 hour of sports period in a school, how we can expect miracles to happen. And I'll also talk about how the other countries are really approaching the sports for their children. And I will also leave you with the challenge what possible change we can make with. So, again, my dear friends, can we expect extraordinary results with just an ordinary preparation? Is it possible? So, let me also ask you a simple, easy question. Can a child become a concert pianist by practicing just 1 hour in a week? Close to impossible, right? And can a student top the board exam by just studying 1 hour in a class every week? Certainly not, right? Then why are we expecting hundreds of Olympic medals when many of our schools or school education is presently not even giving one sports period in a week? So the Olympic champions, my dear friends, are not born on the podium, but they are shaped in the playground through thousands of hours of practice, and by proper coaching, and through proper facilities and consistent encouragement, and by motivation. So look at the other countries like US, China, or Australia. The sports is part and parcel of the school routine, and it is not an occasional activity. They identify early talents in the early childhood. They invest and years and years of practice, and consistently they dominate the medal table in the Olympics, not to any large big sports, my dear friends. So now imagine two of the friends or two of the friends children, one child spend 1 hour in a week, whereas the another child spends every day 1 hour with proper coaching, with proper training, with consistent practice, and is also taking it as a routine, daily routine. So now you tell me, after 10 years, which child would be standing in the Olympic podium? Answer is obvious, right? The first one. So the sports, besides only physical training and physical fitness, so it also gives you a lot of other greater benefits like discipline, resilience, teamwork, leadership, confidence, and the ability to handle the failure, because every time when they stride through the challenges and setbacks, they learn how to overcome all of that, friends, all of the challenges, which will make them great leaders, great entrepreneurs, and great professionals for tomorrow. So beyond the sports, when we are getting so much, why can't we spend that quality 1 hour every day for our children's, and change from today? So let's review the today's message. The first and foremost, every great achievements are coming through consistent practice, so it demands consistent practice. And number two, so the nations that invest in sports produces tomorrow's champions. And number three, sports develop not only athletes, it develops stronger human beings and greater leadership skills. So let us not wait anymore. And now I'm going to leave you with a simple challenge. So let's stop expecting gold medals from just ordinary efforts, but advocate daily physical education, better sports, better infrastructure, coaching, practice, equal opportunity for every child. Because when we give our children more opportunities to play today, they will give our nation the reasons to celebrate for tomorrow with that great Olympic medals. Thank you very much.